Hello, welcome to Eastpak. This is Mark.
Hello.
Mark's just joined us at Eastpak from a national company supplying pipe fittings and pipe lengths across the whole of the UK. Mark's been using extended core pallet wrap in his previous role, such as this one here. Nicely tangled up to take rid of the roll. So he's been using nice thick film, extended cores. Mark, tell us all the problems you had with this in your old company.
Okay, the main problem with this was bending down to do your pallets. You're having to use both hands, keeping on this, going low, so your back's bending all the time. The core itself, when you're holding this, even with gloves on, when you start turning this, it heats up. Your fingers heat up, and like I say, even with gloves. Also, when your gloves are wet, or you're working outside in the wet, the inner core starts disintegrating, which then we end up throwing a lot away because you can't use it properly, and that's a lot of waste gone.
It's true. When you twist and turn like it just breaks.
It just breaks so many times. Yeah.
You end up with, I don't know, 15-20% left on the roll.
Yeah.
Just goes in the bin. You paid for it, can't use it.
Yeah.
So since joining us, Mark has got into grip film. It's one of our key products. Go on, Mark.
This is the best product I have seen. It is perfect for us. Firstly, you're looking at it, it's nice and slick. It's comfortable to use. You've got your handle grips there, nice and safe. And look, with this, there's no bending down. You just go in.
And you're not even tall.
No, well, I'm not even looking at that. And you just go walking around the pallet. And with this, you've got this film, you've got so different strengths of micron with this, so thickness of micron, but it's extremely strong. So some of the coils that I used to use, some of these wrap I used to use, you're talking, this is most probably double the amount.
The length on the roll.
Yeah, it's
use a thinner film,
fantastic.
But get better strength and better pallet stability.
Yeah. Also, you're using all of this. It runs out completely until you're left just with the core. Then you take this off, unscrewing this top part. I'll do it now for you. Undo it, pull that out, and throw it away. And get a new one.
Easy refill.
Straight back in.
Seconds to reload and fill.
Seconds, and done. When you're going around the pallet, this is your tension. So you can turn that to what tension you want. So starting off around the pallet, don't have it too tight. Make sure it's on gripping well. And then further up the pallet, if you believe you want to tighten it up and secure your load, then twist this again. Twist it the other way to release it again.
No more pulling, no more stretching.
No.
All the grips done by the applicator.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Also, pallet wise, I've seen pallets where they're extremely high, too tall for me. They're 4 foot. But these, you can spin it the other way around, so then you've got more height again, which is extremely useful.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's good. And so it's going to reduce your plastic, reduce your workload. Keep it to hand. Go on, Mark, you're going to start to say about the magnet.
This is unbelievable. You've got a magnet there and here, so you can secure it. You can put this onto any metal fixing, even your forklift if you wanted to at the back. Yeah. You can put that on there and it will stay on there. It's a really strong magnet.
If you're destuffing a container, sticks on the edge of the container while you're loading the pallets and it's right there. Grab it, wrap your pallet back on the edge of the container.